Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to sign up and activate your Track TV account step by step. Whether you want to track your favorite shows, movies, or discover new content, having a Track TV account will enhance your viewing experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Track TV website. First, open your browser and go to the official Track TV website by typing in www.tracktv.tv. This will take you to their homepage, where you can begin the sign-up process. Step 2. Click on Sign Up. On the homepage, locate the Sign Up button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to begin creating your account. Step 3. Choose your sign-up method. You can sign up using your email address or through third-party accounts like Google, Facebook, or Twitter. Select your preferred method to continue. Email sign-up. If you choose to sign up with your email, enter your name, email address, and create a secure password. Third-party sign-up. If you choose to sign up with a third-party account, simply follow the prompts to log in and authorize access. Step 4. Complete the registration process. After entering your details, click on the Sign Up or Create Account button. If you signed up using email, you might receive a verification email. Be sure to check your inbox and spam folder for the verification link and click on it to activate your account. Step 5. Log into your account. Once your account is activated, go back to the Track TV homepage and log in using your newly created credentials, email, or third-party account. Step 6. Set up your profile. Now that you're logged in, you can personalize your profile. You can add a profile picture, connect your favorite streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, etc., and start tracking the shows and movies you've watched. Step 7. Activate Track TV on your device. To activate Track TV on a device like a smart TV, media player, or streaming app, follow these steps. Open the app or service where you want to connect Track TV. Go to the Track TV settings or integrations section. You'll typically see an activation code on the screen. Head back to the Tracked website. On the Track site, log into your account, then go to the Activate Device section and enter the activation code from your screen. Once activated, your device will sync with your Tracked account, and you can start tracking your viewing progress. Step 8. Start using Track TV. Now that your account is set up and activated, you can begin exploring the vast catalog of TV shows and movies on Tracked. You can track your progress, create watch lists, and even discover new recommendations based on your viewing habits. That's it. You're all set to enjoy Track TV and keep track of all your entertainment in one place. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.